friends, I know it's been way too long and I apologize. I just took time off for the summer to enjoy the summer, be totally chill, and enjoy the family and kids. But I have so much to share with you guys, starting off in my bathroom. So my husband had this great idea. So we live in a tri-level, so we don't have to go down 2 sets of stairs anymore. He's like, why don't we put in a laundry chute? And I was like, yes. So this was all his idea. He cut out the wood and we used some hinges. I need to touch that up and actually the handle, but anyway, we got a handle at Home Depot. He added the hinges. I picked out the trim at Home Depot. I stained it all and we created a laundry chute. And I'm gonna share all that with you guys downstairs. The inside isn't totally pretty and perfect, but who cares? No one sees it. So this is my master bathroom. This is the cupboard. The one cupboard on the one side of the vanity. And we just did it on the side here. So since we did the laundry chute and the washer and dryer used to be side by side, but he put this in, we had to stack the washer and dryer. And I'm gonna take you guys downstairs. So I'm gonna take you guys downstairs and share the laundry room because that got like a whole new facelift sort of and got redecorated. So because of the laundry chute, we got like a newly decorated laundry room. So we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna share that with you guys. So I made just a DIY sponge. I just literally like winged it and cut out like a Swiss cross, stuck it in some black acrylic paint and just stamped the wall. It's not perfect. It's very DIY, I guess you could say, but I love it. And then I just have the window over here. I normally have dry detergent in here and then I have some other products kind of tucked behind here. I have some bleach right here, but stuff you can't see to the naked eye. So up here, my teenage son can reach this and pull it off, and it has rolled towels in it. And we have the stacked dryer, washer. And then over here I brought in this antique wash basin I got from an antique store, like an antique booth, and that holds the dirty laundry. I made a DIY drop cloth that I just used. I used the DIY drop cloth I just cut to size, and I used some upholstery nails and just pinned them in to hold it up. And this is hiding all of this. So it worked out perfectly. It was a lot wrinklier. I need to get like a steamer and like de-wrinkle it more, but it's wrinkled its way out with like steam and stuff in here. Then up here I have this little bucket with some brushes in it, some Shout spray, a cute sign from Target Dollar Spot a few years ago, dryer sheets, an antique washboard, and I did the same Swiss cross on this little divider wall from the laundry to the bathroom sink. On the second shelf I have washroom, some antique clothespins, our laundry tablets, a little bucket with laundry tablets. I hung this little cute basket from Michael's and put faux greenery in it. And then there's the other part of the laundry chute. Yay! And then we just trimmed it out and then we painted it to match the ceiling. So this is the new laundry room with the laundry chute. Kudos to the hubby. And then I just redecorated and kind of designed the space, and we love it. Down here's a rug, and I'm kind of standing in the shower to film this because it's a small space, but small spaces can still be functional and cute. And so there you guys have it. And stay tuned because I'm going to be coming back with some fall videos, some fall decorating, and maybe some fall crafts. So keep a lookout for those. And if you're not subscribed, maybe hit that bell. And I will see you guys again in another video very soon. Thanks for tuning in today. I missed you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.